Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to write meaningful diary entries that you'll actually want to revisit using a simple 5-step method that takes all the guesswork out of the process. Step 1. Start with the date. Before you write a single word about your day, always add the date at the top of your entry. This is the most important step for creating a record you can actually look back on and make sense of. You can also add the time and your location if you want to be more specific about when and where you're writing. At a minimum, you should include the day, month, and year. Time and location are optional extras that can add more context. Here are some examples on the screen of how you might format this. Step 2. The opening. Think of your diary as a friend or a confidant. Starting with a greeting can make the writing process feel more personal and less like a chore you have to get through. This step is completely optional, but many people find it helpful for getting into the right mindset. Choose a greeting that feels natural to you. Here are some examples on the screen. Step 3. The body. Now we get to the main part of your entry, where you write about what happened during your day. Here's the thing though, don't feel pressured to write about something exciting or dramatic. The small, everyday details are often the most interesting to look back on years later. Focus on describing the key events of your day and think about the 5 W's. Who were you with? What did you do? Where did it happen? When did it happen? And why did it happen? But here's the secret to making this interesting. Be descriptive. Instead of writing, "I had a nice walk," describe what you saw, heard, or smelled. Paint a picture with your words. See the example on the screen. Step 4. The heart. This is the most crucial step for self-reflection, and it's what turns your diary from a simple log of events into a powerful tool for understanding yourself. This is where you connect your feelings to the events you just described. Ask yourself these questions. How did that event make me feel? Was I happy, anxious, calm, or frustrated? What was I thinking at that moment? Did anything surprise me or make me think differently? What am I worried about or looking forward to? Let me continue with that park example. Step 5. The closing. Just like the opening, a closing is optional but can provide a nice sense of finality to your entry. It's like saying goodbye to your friend at the end of a conversation. A simple sign-off is all you need. Take a look at these examples. Now let me show you what a complete diary entry looks like using all 5 steps. Sometimes you might sit down to write and feel like nothing interesting happened that day. Here are some prompts to help jumpstart your entry. What made me smile today? What did I avoid doing and why? One thing I'm proud of today is, what do I wish I'd done differently? A small detail I want to remember is, and there you have it. 5 simple steps to writing diary entries that are meaningful, engaging, and worth reading back through. Remember, the goal isn't to write perfectly or to document every single thing that happens. The goal is to create a record of your thoughts, feelings, and experiences that helps you understand yourself better over time. If you want to get started right away, I've put together a free diary template that follows this exact format. You'll find the link in the description below. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how you get on with writing your diary entry. That's all from us today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more lessons and ideas. See you next time.